For those of you sick and tired of listening to single family stories, we got a special one for you today. It's one of the most unique creative finance stories you're ever gonna hear. The type of deal, the way it was structured, and who their clients are is so unique, you're gonna wanna stick around. Tim Yu and Phillip Tai, leaders inside of our SubTo community, bought an incredible property with creative terms, doing a creative strategy, finding tenants that need something very specific. Let's get into it.
Rundown is 45 unit, Baltimore, the Belvedere, office condos. Most of our tenants are medical behavior consultants, and then car dealerships. Funny thing here, right? I've been explaining this everywhere. Car dealers, in order to get a license in Maryland, you need to have an office, like a desk and a filing cabinet, and that's it. And you get your license too as well. And so we have like
with
these
that
100.
address,
Yeah.
you get validated.
Yeah, we have like 100 square feet, like little office that we charge like $300, $400
And they
a
don't
month.
even show up for
They
it.
don't show up.
That makes so much sense.
Yeah.
So what we're trying to do when we close.
Isn't it amazing that they have these laws and then just entrepreneurs like us just figure out how to screw them? The title of this video should be Exploit the System, because the reality is all these people are like, oh, change the laws, change the things, all the rich people are getting rich. Yeah. Dude, it doesn't matter, bro. We're gonna figure out a way to get around it.
Yeah.
That is so freaking insane that it's like, oh yeah, let's make this law. They know, whoever made that law knows that people are exploiting the system.
And they're referring all their other auto body friends that are coming.
gosh.
So what we
Is
want
it auto sales or auto body?
auto sales. Yeah, they
Okay,
sell
auto
cars.
sales.
Yeah, cars.
Which you got thousands and thousands of dealerships.
Oh, all the time.
So
independently.
does it have to be like a certain square footage?
No, it could be a freaking closet. As long as if it's a desk.
Bro, Dicey's hundreds things up into
We're
fours.
gonna
Like,
pass with this crap, you know?
oh my gosh.
So we're taking a unit. We're gonna put like multiple guys.
Are they even showing up?
No. It was like a Thursday or Friday. Like no
You
one
could
was
literally
there.
just rent the same 100 square foot space.
We tried
20
that.
times.
You can't.
You can't.
You
Okay.
can't.
It needs to have like its own unit.
Yeah, like 11.
So we're gonna split it with 1101A, 1101B,
Wow.
different addresses.
Guys.
And we'll free up the units to rent to another person.
Creative finance is not just about the way we buy deals, it's also what we do with those deals. And what is making this deal so profitable, Tim Yu and Phillip Tai found a loophole in the car rental or car dealership space. They realized what was really going on, and they said, let's go find a commercial space that cannot sell for the price that the seller's looking for, and let's ask those sellers for seller finance because we know what to do with it. So part of doing real estate is understanding what exit strategy you're gonna use in order to justify the purchase on the front end. So what justified the purchase on the front end for Tim Yu and Phillip Tai was understanding that if they got a lot more tenants based on the car dealership loophole, they could offer just about any price that the seller was looking for if they structured it with creative finance. The amount of tenants using the strategy that they use justified the purchase.
How did you guys meet?
Me and him.
Yeah.
Oh, just through
the community?
through this sexy man right here.
Thank you, dude. But you know what? Like this is when I was first like dreaming of the community, I was just like, I want people that would never have met each other to go make millions of dollars together.
But we're Asians. We would meet each other eventually.
You probably would have.
Yeah. We're like
You would have met each other at somebody's wedding or something.
Yeah, honestly, like, we were at this huge Asian wedding like last month. But yeah, we met in SubTo originally.
Yeah.
Like we knew each other like passing by,
Right.
over the years.
Deals like this are everywhere. You're driving around them everywhere. The problem you have is mindset. You think that you need to have tons of experience to do anything in life. Meanwhile, Tim Yu and Phillip Tai joined the SubTo community. That's where they met each other, is inside the SubTo community, and they started doing deals with each other by taking action. You, my friend, are afraid to join a community, and you, my friend, are also afraid to take action. So yes, these deals are everywhere. You want to take some action, then join the SubTo community, link down below.
So the deal came from where? Where did we find this deal?
you tell it, bro.
So he sat next to us at lunch, and he lives in Houston. Okay. So I wholesale him deals.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I'm in Houston, and he's like, yeah, like you're a wholesaler. Like I got a property I want to get rid of in Baltimore. And I'm like, well,
It's his property?
Yeah, so he inherited it.
From his father, yeah.
And he's like, I'm trying to get rid of it. And I'm like, well, what is it? Like, where are you from, actually? Let's start off there. Because I'm from Bel Air, Maryland. And I'm like, that's where I live. So we like.
And you sat with him at lunch?
Yeah.
Yeah. We were half joking around. We're like, yeah, we'll buy it, And he was like, I'll sell it at 10 cap.
Yep.
And his ears perked up.
Yeah, perked up.
And
I love
we
10 caps.
went to go
Bro,
see
you're
it.
gonna name your children 10 cap.
Yeah, I know.
And you name your like enemies' children 2 cap.
2 cap.
So he says, I'll sell it at a 10 cap.
Yeah.
So you and Phillip started underwriting the bad boy. Is he doing seller finance or just cash?
It's seller finance. So we went out there first and we were like, holy cow, this is really cool. Like, it's got a story behind it. Yeah. It's like a historic, it's, you know, if you talk to anybody from Baltimore, they know what the Belvedere is.
Yep.
It's a famous hotel that presidents used to stay at.
Celebrities too as well.
Celebrities, and they redid it. It's like half residential, half office spaces, and we're buying like a majority of the office spaces.
They have event spaces like for weddings.
What a weird setup that it's like, is it all in one unit?
It's like one building. It's one building.
Yeah.
And so you're carved out and you're owning portion of that building.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like how like our structure is like, we basically own almost the whole 11th floor. Yeah. Like there's maybe like 2 units that we're not gonna own. It's got a conference room, everything like that.
Wow.
Few units on the 2nd floor, and then we own a few in the lower lobby as well, where there's like a grocery store getting built, all that stuff.
Holy, dude, I feel so bad I missed this.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
That's pretty sick, yeah.
Mostly for me. Like I'm like, I want to see this. Did you guys put a down payment down, or what was the structure?
Yeah.
So yeah, structure is like basically 40% down of the 1.5 million. He wanted $2 million originally, but then we kind of had to renegotiate.
Are you getting a commercial loan for the down payment, or are you raising?
We're raising.
Okay,
We're raising. Yeah, so we're raising 600, and it needs about $45,000 to repair all the units.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Because the structure of it is just floors and walls. The building association take care of the utilities, like all the utilities. They take care of all the repairs of the common areas.
This is gonna be the easiest deal you've ever done in your life.
Yeah, management wise, yeah.
In terms of like management?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
No brainer.
Phillip Tai and Tim Yu are incredible leaders inside of our SubTo community. Because so, they have proximity and awareness with other SubTo members that say, Phillip Tai and Tim Yu, we want to throw money with you. We want to partner with you. You guys seem cool. Joining a community is critical. It's not an option at this point. It is critical. Everybody else is joining communities. You are not, because you don't want to spend some sort of fee. You think it's a scam. You are getting scammed by thinking that free content is going to get you anywhere. This free content should only be inspiring you to join a community. Why? Because that's where real people are doing real deals and doing real partnerships, like Tim Yu and Phillip Tai met in SubTo, and they got all their private capital inside of SubTo.
Are you guys gonna like furnish the desks and the filing cabinets for these guys, or what?
Honestly, that could be the offer, bro. That could be like VIP, come through, it's already here, just pop a squat. That's actually a good idea.
That's actually, that's a good idea.
Wow.
Yeah, there's a lot of cool things with this. I mean, they have a mailing service.
Yeah.
So if you're an entrepreneur,
You want a UPS store or whatever? Yeah, it's so good.
Well, no, it's like a virtual mailbox. A physical.
Yeah, they'll fit. Yeah, I'm not saying it is UPS. It's like the way I treat my UPS store.
Exactly.
Which
Use
is
the business.
huge.
Yep.
Yep.
We can grow that too.
It's kind of like, not WeWork or Industrious, but it's kind of like that, where it's like I have a space. If I rent the spot, I have a conference room.
Yeah.
Are you guys renting out the conference room, or just to anybody that's a tenant?
Anybody that's working on the 11th floor can use the conference room.
Wow.
Yeah.
Are you gonna move your wholesale business over there?
We always make jokes I don't want to move in.
Yeah.
You
Myself,
might. How
but
close are
I
you
might.
to it?
It's 40 minutes from here.
Yeah.
So I live 40 minutes away, but.
I mean, 40 minutes here could be a mile.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, I know. So, but I won't be living here probably after next year.
Where are you going?
I don't know yet. I don't know. I'll be getting out of the army after this, so
Okay.
I get to pick where I want to go for the first time.
What's the top of your list?
My wife wants to go to Austin, Texas.
That place sucks.
I like
kidding.
the food there.
It's good. Good food.
I like the food there.
Energy's good. Everything there is good. Awesome.
Let's go to Phoenix.
No, don't go to Phoenix.
Yeah, it's too hot. It's too hot.
It's too hot, and it's. I feel like the problem with Phoenix is that it's this. It's like it's horrible to be there, but then it's also the best to be there half the year. Whereas like some parts of the country, like Austin, is more like this.
Yeah.
It's like a
even
little
out.
bit more even kill.
Yeah.
This is too cold for me.
I know.
Yeah, for sure.
And it's like you also have 6 months of cold here, right? So Austin is a little bit more temperate, and it has similar vibe. It's like a lot of tech, a lot of big stuff going on, a lot of people moving there. Has like East Coast energy in the center of the country. Yeah. What a great deal, guys.
Yeah, I know. We're excited.
They're excited for this.
And are
one.
you doing most of your wholesale deals down in Texas?
Yeah, and out in Houston.
Houston's such a great wholesale market.
It is. Nobody really, everyone questions why we're virtual, and it's like, it's a gold mine there.
Yeah,
There's so many buyers, everything like that.
We have a lot of members in Jersey in SubTo that are wholesaling virtually in Houston and have been for like a long time. And a couple in Boston. It's like, I don't know why it's so slept on. It's not the market that's talked about. I feel like Phoenix, Vegas, other markets, like Houston is the best city, I think, to wholesale.
I think it's a very transparent county. They give all the records, they give all the data. So if you know what you're doing with the data, it's like,
Yeah,
you know what I mean, you're killing it.
Okay, so you guys are in the middle of a raise right now. Mostly got it?
Mostly got it. Yeah, we're like 90%.
You got some people from the community coming in?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we do.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
How
so,
cool is this freaking community?
It's dope.
It's the sickest. Well, the thing is, and I feel blessed to have you guys as friends and collaborators, it's like you get leaders that are all over the country that are like, if you set up a community the right way, the way it should be is that leaders in whatever local area should be able to harvest deal flow.
Yeah.
And for the amount of work and time and energy you pour back into the community, you should deserve to raise capital from the community. You should be able to get deals from the community, and you guys deserve this deal up, down, left, and right, and all the money.
Well, I'll tell you a cool story. You know that guy that's been traveling around? He's from New York. He's like a bird dog. Brian? Have you met him?
Yeah, you met him. You're the one that called his cellar RV park.
In Birmingham. So we
Birmingham.
ran into him yesterday. The dude's a killer. We tell him like, hey, we're looking for commercial strip malls. He like found this one today.
Yeah, he puts. Were you there in the Birmingham?
No. He showed the video.
He puts the phone in my face. I literally walk into the meetup, and he just puts the phone in my face. I'm like, who am I? Am I talking to your mom? Like, what's this? He's like, it's a broker, 2 RV parks. Okay. Hi, broker. My name's Pace. And then I got the 2 deals under contract.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God.
$11 million of RV parks. Yeah. Montana, right by my house. What's up, homie?
What's up?
Freaking crazy.
Wow, holy cow. Yeah, he's a dog.
Yeah, he's been following me to, I think he's been to like 10 plus meetups and just networking as much as he can. So, okay, where can people reach out to you, boys?
You go first.
You can reach me out on Instagram, Phillip H. Ty. It's with 2 L's, right? And then my YouTube channel, same handle as well.
You're doing great. You're also doing great on your content. How do people reach out to you?
Yep, you can find me on Instagram and YouTube. It's at itstimyu, Timyu.
All right, boys. Proud of you guys.
Thank you so much.
Adore you guys. Keep doing it. Keep doing the content too. You guys are doing so good.